I'm Jennifer. Welcome to Quick and Easy Meals Special Edition Holiday Appetizers, hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, Debbie Bubbles, and me, Jennifer at Home. All of these channels will be listed below. Check these out for special holiday appetizer inspiration. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is what we're going to need for our first recipe. I have a 32-ounce bag of pre-made meatballs, and I'm going to add a whole can, juice and all, pineapple chunks, and barbecue sauce. Just pour the meatballs right into the slow cooker. And now for the barbecue sauce. You can use any kind of barbecue sauce that you like. Once you get your barbecue sauce in, it's time to put in our last and final ingredient, pineapple chunks and juice. This recipe couldn't be any easier, and my friends request it every Christmas holiday when I have my annual Christmas party. The slow cooker is on low, and we're going to leave it on for 4 hours. The next recipe we're going to put together is for our spinach artichoke dip. Of course, we'll need spinach. I have artichokes, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, cream cheese, and we can either use sour cream or cottage cheese. Let's get busy putting the spinach artichoke dip in the slow cooker. We're going to start adding in things little by little, gradually put one thing after another. I sprayed this earlier, and now we're going to start adding. We have the cream cheese. We're going to put in the cottage cheese. This will give it a lot of protein, or you could just use sour cream, whatever you prefer. And I have salt and pepper here, and I have grated Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese. We're going to put our drained and cut up artichoke hearts. And now we're going to put in our spinach. I have about a cup to a cup and a half of torn spinach leaves. We'll just put these right on top. I have the slow cooker on low, and this will take about 3 hours in the slow cooker. We'll come back and stir it about every 30 minutes. Don't forget to check on your spinach artichoke dip and meatballs every so often. Make sure you stir them up really well. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it so much. I hope you try these appetizers. I know you'll really enjoy them. Be sure to check out all of the other channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.